Okay. So, more kabalo naman ko sa intro to. Okay, here we go. We're going to try this song, guys. Okay, so yes, this is not a perfect cover, but we will play this song for you, and I hope you like it. Okay, so we'd like to thank, by the way, we're Red Street. We'd like to thank JP Entertainment and also Sobuano Musiquero with MJ Production. Thank you so much, Kuya Mitch. Hello there. Okay, so shout out ko ni Patix. Hey Patix, my man. And also sa mga isa may kwadre, Cebu guitarist, Cebu fingerstyle. CFG, asa na ako CFG, isa gamot. Hello there guys, ayan, thank you so much for being here, only at Talamat Times Square. Sa mga taong experiment siguro.
Come up to me, yeah. Tell you I'm sorry, right? You don't know what I mean. You are. I need to find you. Tell you I'm leaving you. Tell you I'm sad. You are. Tell me your secrets. Must be my questions. Let's go back to the start. Running in circles, coming up tails. It's on the sides, the flies. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to lie. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it won't be this hard. Coming back to the start. It's not a shame for us to hide. Nobody said that was easy. No one ever said it won't be this time. Coming back to the side. No one ever said it won't be designed. back to the start. Once again, thank you so much, guys, and I'm in Times Square. Once again, we're the Red Streams in the house. Thank you so much. Summer Sundance 2019. I want to introduce you guys to my bass, Jake Gomez. For the drums, we're Clyde Agutin. Our lead guitar, Yada, Gideon. And also guys, Jason Dora here. So thank you so much for having us tonight here, guys. But I'm on Times Square. Ooh, oh, ooh, yeah. No, 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 no. Salamat guys.